Maharashtra state government has once again amended guidelines. This is for unlock phase 1 and new set of guidelines that have come in with a detailed order. Maharashtra government which has prohibited the use of gym or the use of gardening equipment in open spaces, in open parks. Remember, today people were seen going out for their morning walks and exercises, but they're not going to be allowed to be using any of the equipment at the garden. Newspaper delivery, though, doorstep delivery is now going to be allowed as well. This is from the 7th of June. Staff of schools, college needed for exam results will be exempted from this restriction. Plenty more in that set of guidelines. We have with us our Deputy News Editor Mayuresh getting us those details here. In more easing out, this is of course in non-containment zones there, Mayuresh, but undoubtedly a breather for people in Mumbai.
Certainly, sir, a breather for Mumbai people, and as you mentioned, Seher, that people were seeing going on roads or gardens or open spaces for jogging and walking. But this particular order or amendment order clearly said that people can go for walking and jogging and do the exercise, but they cannot use any gym equipment or they cannot use any garden equipments for the exercise. Also, order also mentions that the shops may remain open, they can remain open, but not the shops at the both sides of the road. So there will be a staggered timings for the shops, and the local corporation will decide. From 8th of June, all the private offices can resume, but at the strength of 10%. And the rest of the employees have to be encouraged to do work from home. And as you said, that the newspaper delivery can start from 7th of June, but the delivery boys have to continuously wear the mask and continuously use the hand sanitizers during the delivery. So these are the guidelines or amended guidelines which Maharashtra government have issued as of now.
Right. What more do we know about, there was a mention in those guidelines regarding staff for schools and colleges. Is this only for examination purposes, or is this a start in facilitating regular classes now as well?
Not for the examination purpose, but the staff, or especially the non-teaching staff who is to kind of a scheduling or who is involved into a paper checking and making the results, they can go to the school, colleges or the university. And one more point we'd like to add to that intra-state and inter-district movement shall continue to be regulated. However, inter-district movement a person within the area of municipal corporation under the MML shall not be allowed without any shall be allowed without any restriction. So certainly it's a new we can say it's a new relaxation which state government has given for the movement of inter-district and intra-district. But it would be very interesting to see when the local trains get started, because since day one, or we can say since last lockdown, Maharashtra government is basically asking the center government to allow them to start this start the local trains, so that people who are involved into the emergency services can use the local trains and reach to their offices. And the BST's bus service, that is which is right now is only for the essential service people, that can be used for normal people.
I see. All right. Those are specifications now for educational institutes. They're coming in as well. Mayuresh, thank you for getting us all those details for viewers watching on what to expect here if you're across Maharashtra.